Immerse yourself in the natural beauty and comforting warmth of the Regency Alterra Pro i3000 wood insert. Crafted to transform your old fireplace, this contemporary large insert creates a cozy and captivating focal point in any room. Enjoy a luxurious 300 square inches of viewing area that showcases a mesmerizing view of the firebox. Behind the seamless edged-edge glass door, an upgraded heavy-gauge log retainer holds firewood securely in place. After the first fire, the log retainer ages gracefully and develops a beautiful patina. The i3000's impressive 3 cubic feet refractory-lined firebox accommodates logs up to 20 inches long. An adjustable door latch ensures a tight seal every time, providing safe and comfortable operation. With its sleek, low-profile design, the i3000 fits flawlessly into any space. Customize the i3000 to perfectly complement your home by selecting from contemporary or classic doors, paired with a contemporary, classic, or arched faceplate, and one of 7 high-quality traditional or premium surrounds. Experience lasting warmth with the Alterra Pro i3000's unmatched 20-hour burn time and impressive heat output of up to 85,000 BTU. Thanks to Regency's triple burn EcoBoost technology, the i3000 meets the highest emission standards, maximizing efficiency and minimizing fuel consumption. Front-mounted air adjustments and a catalytic bypass provide fully controllable heat. A concealed, temperature-sensitive variable speed blower pushes radiant heat further out into the room, keeping your home cozy in every corner. Designed and built with quality in mind, the i3000 is constructed using robotically formed and welded thick-gauge steel, backed by the industry's best limited lifetime warranty. This includes a premium 10-year warranty on the new metal catalyst. The Regency Alterra Pro i3000 offers a unique blend of timeless elegance and modern functionality, striking the perfect balance between form and function. Discover the all-new Alterra Pro i3000 at regency-fire.com. Regency, it's more than a fireplace.